ठीक है। हाँ, तो एक काम करते हैं, सबसे पहले लेट्स श्रविल, दिस इज योर फर्स्ट लेक्चर, दैट्स फाइन, नो वरीज, ठीक है। लेट्स डिस्कस कर लेते हैं फटाफट, इफ एनीवन इज हैविंग एनी डाउट्स इन द लास्ट लेक्चर, ठीक है। आई गेव यू द लास्ट 3-4 क्वेश्चंस, ओके। लेट्स, आई एम शेयरिंग द सॉल्यूशंस, किसी को प्रॉब्लम हो, यू कैन रेज योर हैंड्स एंड आई विल कम टू देम एंड कैन हैव अ लुक ओवर द सॉल्यूशंस, ओके। Clear up. I don't know about the cam table, just check it, okay. आप लोग देख लो, is it visible? So the first question was like 64 की power, okay. So what we have done, we have used the formula a to the power of m into a to the power of n. It will give you a to the power of m plus n. Now see, 64 base था. Now base is same, the power is with it. So finally I have added the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 5 by 3. So solving them, it will become 64 to the power of minus 2 by 3. Okay. Guys, stop writing. I have to remove you. Stop writing in the chat section unless you have any doubts. Image is correct. Up to image is not upside down. I cannot hear you. The first question, देखो, 64 to the power of minus 2 by 3. On the place of 64, you can write 4 to cube. So 4 to the power 3 whole power minus 2 by 3. So 3 cancel, 4 to the power of minus 2. The answer will be comes out to be 1 by 16. Okay. Now see in the second question what I have done. In the second question 8 था, तो 8 की जगह I have written 2 की power 3 की whole power 2 by 3. Same on the place of 32, I have written 2 to the power of 5, that is whole power minus 25. Now see, 3 cancel, 5 cancel, the leaving factors are 2 की power 2 into 2 की power minus 2. This is equal to 2 की power 2 minus 2, that is 0, and 2 की power 0 will give you 1. In the third question, it is like 5 की power n minus 1, and here it was 625. Now you know 625 is 5 to the power of 4. Now see, now base is same, 5 is same, and n minus 3 is equal to 4. So the value of n comes out to be 7. Okay. Fourth question. In the fourth question, you can see minus 2 by 3 whole power 4 into 2 by, earlier it was 3 by 2 whole power minus 3. Now this minus 3 I have converted to positive and I have inversed the invert power. Okay. Earlier it was 3 by 2. So using the minus, I have converted 2 by 3. Now listen, minus 2 by 3 की power 4 लिखो या 2 by 3 की power 4 लिखो. That is almost same. Okay. Because last class we have discussed for even powers is same. Okay. For even powers, negative and positive will give you same answer, that is positive. So answer will be 2 by 3 4 into 2 by 3 7. A base is again same, 2 by 3 2 by 3 is base. So again the number will come as 2 by 3 to the whole power of 3 plus 4, that is 7. Okay. Now in the fifth question, the number was 1 by 2 whole power x is equal to 32. 1 by 2, it can be written as 2 to the power of minus x. See. And for 32, it can be written as 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of minus x is equal to 2 to the power of 5. Base is same, so we can compare the numerator exponents. So exponents is like x to the power of minus 5. Okay. Is there anyone having any doubts in this 5 questions? Start writing. Jinko doubts hai, they can come to chat sections, and whosoever not having doubt, just write all the solutions. Whomsoever is not having any doubt, that's fine. You can run it anyway. Answer should be correct. Answer should be same. Okay. It's fine, Vedika. Jiन्हें doubt hai, they can ask you. And about the last lecture also, if anyone is having any doubt, they can ask me before starting the next questions. I have a doubt. Fish, yeah, write it. You don't have to write no doubt. Okay. If anyone having doubt, let them write the chat section. Doubt, earth, both. Question number 4. See, Ruja Shubh, I'm coming to you. वेट एक एक करके मैं सबके पास आ रहा हूँ. स्टार्ट रेजिंग योर हैंड्स. जिसको भी डाउट्स है द पार्टिसिपेंट सेक्शन, स्टार्ट रेजिंग योर हैंड्स सो आई कैन कम इजीली. वेट. और धीरे 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 धीरे. ओम मिश्रा, मैं आ रहा हूँ. वेट. हेलो.
Yes, sir. Can you show the questions, please, of these answers?
No, it was shared in with you in the last class.
Okay, sir. Fine.
Parth, I'm coming to you. Hello, Parth.
Hello.
Parth. Hello, Parth.
Sir, I didn't understand this. You went too fast in this fourth question.
Fourth question, that is minus 2 by 3 whole power 4 into 3 by 2 power of minus 3. Is it same?
Sir, your voice is little bit cracking.
Maybe I'm not audible.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
See, what is your exact doubt?
Sir, not the fourth one. Sorry, it was the fifth one.
Which one? Can you say it?
1 by 2
Okay.
whole to the power x
Yeah,
equals
I
to
got
32.
it. I got it. For example, see, for 1 by 2, you can write it as 2 to the power of minus 1. Hello. Hello. I think you have lost the contact. Arth, wait, I'm coming to you. Arth. Hello, Arth. Will you say something?
Yes, sir.
Bol. What is your doubt?
Can you repeat the seventh law?
Okay, laws. Okay, laws we'll discuss after the these questions. एक बार let them discuss the question. We'll come to back to law. Okay.
Okay.
Krish, I'm coming to you. Krishiv?
Sir? Sir.
Yes.
Sir, how did you convert minus 2 by 3 into positive?
See, if the power is even, so it doesn't matter if the number inside is even or negative. Oh, sorry, negative or positive. Answer is always going to be positive. So that use of that sign minus doesn't matter in the case of even powers. Okay, only in the case of even powers.
All right, sir.
So now the power is 4.5, so that is even only, so it doesn't matter. Okay.
So, sir, instead
Yes.
of 4, if it would be 5, sir, then we would. So
then
what?
you would have used minus 2 by 3. Okay. Answer will be negative. Whatever your final answer, that should be negative.
All right.
All right.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir,
yes.
can you please solve an equation using odd number?
Yeah, wait. I'll give you an example in a while. Okay.
In what?
In a while.
Sir, you are not audible. Can you please repeat?
I'll give you some examples. Just wait for a few seconds.
All right, sir.
Jayant, I'm coming to you. Yeah, Jayant, tell me. Jayant, you are not audible. Jayant, you are not audible. Jayant, okay. Devik, V5, Nathan. Okay. Hello. @ Nathan, I don't. What's your name? Devik, V5, Nathan. What's your name? Ira, wait. Devika, I admitted you were asking some question. Ira, okay. Ira Pruthi?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
So do we need to copy these questions?
If you haven't solved them and you're not getting the correct answer, you have to.
So I'm a new student, so I don't know what to do.
So that's fine. Don't solve from next page, just start writing, okay?
Sure, sir.
As of now, you can leave it. From next topic, you can start, okay?
Sure, sir.
Anyone else having doubt? Krishiv Shah. Krishiv?
So in the fourth question, it is division, not multiplication.
See. Okay, sorry. So, do you have a question? I have to look it for. If you have it right now.
Sorry, sir.
Do you have that good question right now? I don't have that. Maybe I have.
Yes, sir. So it was minus 2 by 3 raised to the power 4 divided by 3 by 2 raised to the power 3 minus 3.
Okay, then wait. I'm sending you a new solution to the question. कृष्ण रुक जाओ एक सेकंड मैं एक कंसेप्ट तुम लोगों के साथ शेयर कर रहा हूँ प्लीज एक बार देख लो किसी को ये सॉल्यूशन मैं हटा रहा हूँ ठीक है अभी के लिए हटा रहा हूँ सॉल्यूशन बाद में ठीक है सब लोग ये कंसेप्ट लिख लो पहले तो नीचे वाला देखो मैं एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ जो नीचे लिखा हुआ है अभी ओके अभी के लिए देख लो ये कंसेप्ट लिखो देखो पहला नंबर क्या था इन द फर्स्ट नंबर इट वाज लाइक -8 होल टू द पावर ऑफ n अब यहाँ पे देखो दो केसेस आते हैं देयर आर टू केसेस फर्स्ट केस इज n इज इवन इफ n is even what does even does even removes the negative sign so final answer will be a to the power of n only okay now in the second case what happens if n is odd so what does it you can take the minus common and final answer will be minus of bracket a to the power of n so first in the case of even you can directly write a to the power of n you can remove the negative sign second in the case of odd you can take the minus sign common and put it like minus of a to the power of n if anyone having any doubt in this concept first of all start writing this concept if anyone has any doubts in this concept you can ask me in the chat section just for this concept now right now Om Mishra okay people can write the okay this will be doubt they can write the doubts directly in the chat section just for this concept abhi ke liye just for this concept if you are finding out I'm repeating the concept what is concept if there's a number minus a to the power minus a to the whole power of n there are two cases if n is even you just have to write as a to the power of n if n is odd you have to write it as minus of whole a to the power of n okay if any number raised to 0 gives you 1 any number raised to 0 gives to 1 any number raised to 0 gives you 1 if the power of 0 if the power is 0 answer is 1 an is a number a is a number ani कहाँ लिखा हुआ है it's not ani a is a number Sherville, you have to contact Brewster for that purpose. PDFs and the lectures and the video lectures. Okay. Okay. For especially for this concept, I'm going back to the chat section. Just if any doubts, raise your hands. Russell, I'm coming to you. Hello, Russell. Russell.
Hello.
Yeah, Russell, say.
What is after n is equal to even that a and e thingy?
Answer. A and S answer. Its answer is equal to, okay.
And you didn't
That,
get the solution for the sixth question.
wait, we'll solve it later on. Okay.
Okay.
I
Thank you.
just few questions for you for a weekly for class work. After that, we'll solve them. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So, Krishiv, yeah, Krishiv, tell me.
Sir?
Yeah.
What, sir?
Your hand is raised. That's why.
Oh, sir, sorry, sir. I forgot to lower my hand.
That's fine. Okay, Devik. Nathan, what are you saying? Nathan, you're not audible. Abhi, you are audible. You are saying something. Udesh, wait, I'm sharing you the new questions. Just after this concept, I'll share some questions. You have to start them practicing, okay? किसी ने हाथ खड़ा किया था आशी. Okay, fine. See, if minus a whole to the power of n again, if n is even, answer is, you can remove the minus sign and answer is a to the power of n. Okay? If n is odd, answer a n s का answer लिखा हुआ है is minus 8 whole to the power of n. Okay, that's fine. Now listen, guys. There was a mistake in the last question. Okay? Fourth question में actually I got a wrong question. So this is the actual question and actual answer of the fourth part at the top. This one is actual answer and actual question. I got. See what I have done. It was minus 2 by 3 whole power of 4. Since the power is even, it doesn't matter that it is minus or plus. So in the third step, I have directly written as 2 to the power 2 upon 3 to the power of 4. I have removed the minus sign. Okay. Now in the last class, I have told you, see, this division gets converted to multiplication, and you have to inverse this number. So earlier it was 3 by 2. I have inversed the number. It will become 2 upon 3. Okay. See the third step. 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. Now base is same. If base is same, so you can directly add the powers. So 2 by 3, 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 will give you 1. So answer is 2 by 3. Okay. Minus 3 will change into AD. What is AD, Russell? See, I haven't changed. It's your wish if you want to change or not. Okay. If you want to change minus 3, again it will 2 by 3 will be converted into 3 by 2. That's different method of solving the same question. Sir, why is power not made positive? It's up to you. Okay. It's your wish if you want to. Sir, so minus 3 will become positive. Listen, guys. Listen. The first step, I have changed the division sign. The reciprocation is because of the division sign, not because of the minus. If you want to change the minus sign to positive, again you have to change it and reciprocate it. We have changed division. Yeah, in the first step, we have changed division into multiplication. We haven't touched that minus sign. Yeah. आगे बढ़े. There's few questions. किसी को doubt है? Is there any question doubts left? Yeah. आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. Is there any question left? Okay. I'm sharing a few questions. Okay, you have to go through all the questions. Just try them once and we'll discuss them one by one. Doubt? हाँ, Russell, बोल. Six. If I'm correct, the question was 16200. See, in that question, what you have to do, you have to factorize 16200. into prime factors, okay, and just compare. Factorize 16200 into prime factors and just compare the right and left hand side power. For example, if you're factorizing and you're getting 2 to the power of 5, on right hand side it was written 2 to the power of a. That means 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 2 to the power of a, which means a is equal to 5. Okay, just try them using the factorization method. Yeah, answer is doesn't matter. Answer should be same. People who are asking the sixth question, have you factorized 16200? If you haven't, just try it right now. Sir cannot see your screen. Why? I'm sharing the screen. Why can't you see it, Khatija? Okay, can you unmute me? Wait, Russell, raise your hand. Hi, Russell.
Sir, while you were changing the division sign into multiplication, that time only -3 will be -3 will change into 3, right?
No, see. One reciprocation is because of the minus sign, and the other reciprocation is because of the division sign. See, you have to do it one by one. Either you first you can take the minus wala reciprocation, or you can take the division wala reciprocation. It's up to you. Okay, but one at a time. One at a time. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
No, I'm telling you one reciprocation is because of the division sign, and other reciprocation is because of the minus sign. You have to do it one at a time. You cannot just divide and same at the same time reciprocate using minus sign. Okay. Can you show the fifth one? We'll solve later on. Please try these further questions. Okay. I'm sharing some questions. Just try it. Just try the first question. 125 upon 343 whole power 2 by 3. Question is visible to each and everyone. See, सब लोग सुन लेना. As of now, we will solve question number first and question number 6th and question number 5th. Firstly, we'll solve question number 1, question number 5, and question number 6. Firstly, we'll solve question number 1, question number 5, and question number 6. सब लोग थोड़ा टाइम लें और सॉल्व करें. आंसर टाइप करने की जरूरत नहीं है अभी. No one has to write the answer. Let the people solve each and every question. सब लोग फटाफट ट्राई कर लो। और write each and every question. I have to remove it. सारे questions लिख लो. I have to remove the questions. औरंगा रुक जा, सारे questions करने हैं. You have to 156 question number 156 और जिसका हो गया 156 you can try them all the sums. Yeah, you can try all the sums. You have to solve all the questions, but for namesake start अभी के लिए just write all the questions. I'll remove them from the screen. Fifth में what are you saying? 2 by 3 to the whole power of 3 into 3 by 2 whole power of 2x. This is equal to 81 upon 16. हाँ आदित्य सकते हैं ना. आदित्य,
Yes, sir.
yeah, what happened? You have raised your hand now. That's why I'm asking.
Hello, sir.
हाँ.
Hello, sir. How to do the second question?
We अभी के लिए I've written we have solved. We'll be solving first, fifth, and sixth. Have you started tried all the three questions?
Yes, sir. I have written all.
Not written. We are solving first question number first, 5 and 6 for of now. So you have tried all the questions, three questions first, 5 and 6.
Okay, sir.
Tried ना? हो गए?
Yes, yes, sir.
तीनों हो गए? Okay, wait. तब तक wait करो फिर थोड़ा डिस्कस कर लो. We'll discuss all the questions. Okay. Okay. Let's go to first question. सबने question लिख लिया. Please write all the questions. Last one. I'll not share the questions. Please. Asking you to go through all the just write all the questions. I'm sharing the answers. Yeah, +1 is for experiment. Johan, +1 is for experiment. Okay, fine. Let's do first question. Let's solve the first question. देखो सबसे पहले the question is 145 on 343. So you know what is 145? Sorry, 125. 5 to the power of 3. May I just wait. I'll come to you after the question. Okay. 125 upon 343. Okay. So 125 is 5 to the power of 3 and 343 is 7 to the power of 3. So for 125 upon 343, I can write it as 5 by 7 whole to the power of 3 and the whole to the power of 2 by 3. Now this 3 and 3 cancel each other. The final answer is 5 by 7 whole to the power of 2. That is 5 square upon 7 square. Answer will be 25 upon 49. Anyone having any doubt in the question number 1? Okay. Let's come to the second question. Now see, second question it was 2 by 3 whole power 3 into 3 by 2 whole power 2x. Now for the first term, 2 by 3, see, I have converted plus 3 into minus 3. Because of that, the inner part got reciprocated. Earlier it was 2 by 3, now it is minus 3 by 2. Okay, see, so I can add and subtract I can add and remove the minus sign, but accordingly you have to react. But what happened in the other times, it was already minus 3, so I can reverse. Now, if I have reverse, I have to put a minus 3. See, 2 by 3 to 3 by 2, I have added a minus sign. See, now 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 are the same base. Same base, the powers will add. So it will become minus 3 plus 2x. Now, what about the right hand side? 81 is 3 to the power of 4, 16 is 2 to the power of 4. So it can be written as 3 by 2 whole power 4. Whole power 4. Now left hand side and right hand side. 3 by 2 power something, 3 by 2 power something, and beach make parity. It means power should be same on both the sides. Okay. So minus 3 plus 2x and 4. They should be equal. Minus 3 plus 2x equal to 4, 2x equal to 7, x equal to 7 by 2. X equal to 7 by 2. Okay. Ridhija, wait, I'm coming. Hello, Ridhija. Hello, Ridhija.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
So in the fifth one, if you did not by 2 whole raised to minus 3 and you let it be 2 by 3 raised to 3.
It was 2 by 3 earlier, but I have added a minus sign for reciprocity. Since I
Yeah.
have
Yeah, but can we can also do this, right? We can cancel 3 and 3 if I'm not mistaken.
no, we cannot cancel. It's 3 to the power of 3, and on the right hand side, sorry, in the numerator is 3 to the power of 2x. It's not just a single 3, it's 3 to the power of 3. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank
So you
you.
cannot directly cancel. Okay. Meher, I'm coming to you. Hello, Meher.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me what happened. Meher,
So I did not understand the fifth one.
first one, what happened? What is wrong? No, what
So
you are
I'm not able to find the values of. So I'm not able to understand how is this 81 upon 16 coming in the question.
It was in the question only. It's a part of a question, Meher.
Yes, sir. I'm not
See,
understanding it.
so 81, do you know factorization, prime factorization?
Yes, yes, sir.
So try breaking at 81. It is 3 to the power of 4. At the same time, 16
Yes,
is 2 to the power of 4.
yes,
So
sir.
81 upon 16 can be written as 3 upon 2 whole to the power of 4.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And उसके बाद I have just compared the right hand side and left hand side of the value. And power needs to be same. On the left hand side, the power is minus 3 plus 2x. Right hand side is 4. So basically, x will 7 by 2.
Okay, sir.
Just write the solution as well. Yes, Ridhija. Hello, Ridhija. Jay, I gave you enough time to ask the question. Okay, to write the questions. Okay, so wait. That is why I was asking. I'll not share the questions again. Now wait for the after class. You'll get all the notes. At that time, you can look for the questions. That's fine. You can do by any method. The answer need to be same. Okay. That's not possible as of now. I'll not share the question with you. I have given you a lot of time. Okay. Let's move to the third question. Okay. Sixth question. Sorry, six. Now, sixth question is little trickier. Okay. What I have done. See, I have gone as per the question. You can see what I have been given. I have been given 10 to the power x is equal to 64. Now, in the answer, it was not x. We have to find the value of 10 to the power x by 2 plus 1. So it was x by 2, not x. So I have converted. I have taken square root on the both sides. And what do you mean by square root? Square root means power of 1 by 2. And I can do anything both sides of the equality. See, so in the first step, I have taken square root on the both the sides. Okay. So the equation will become 10 to the power of x by 2 and is 64 the square root 8. Okay, fine. So abhi tak 10 to the power of x by 2 and here 10 to the power 8. Sorry. Now what I have done, I multiplied this equation by 10. Why multiply by 10? Because in the answer I have to find x by 2 plus 1. See, here it is like 10 to the power x by 2 into 10 and here it will 8 in 10, 8. Now see, now since the base is same, here is 10 to the power x by 2 into 10 to the power 1. If nothing is given, 10 to the power of 1. So the answer will be like this, 10 to the power of x by 2 plus 1 and on the right hand side will be 8. Okay. Everyone start writing the question number 6. I'm going to chat section. Vedika, I'm coming to you. Hello, Vedika.
Yes, sir. I do not understand the sixth question. How did you get 64 raised to 1 by 2?
See, on the right hand side, I've written taking the square root. I have taken the square root both the sides.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so it's fine doing anything on both the sides like that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Next, Krishvi. Hello, Krishiv.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
tell me.
sir, but square root is not equal to 1 by 2, right?
Last fifth property, a to the power of 1 by n means nth root of a. 2 to the power of 1 by 2 means second root of 2, square root of 2. 2 to the power of 1 by 3 means cube root of 2. So if you are taking power 1 by 2, it means square root. If you are taking power 1 by 3, it means cube root. If you are taking 1 by 4, it means fourth root. That was our fourth or fifth law. A to the
Sir,
power of 1 by n.
sir, so after you did that, you multiplied x in the second, after in the next
Uh,
step, you did 10 raised to the power x by 2.
Yeah, x into 1 by 2 will be x by 2. A to the
And
power of
then, sir,
m
in the,
whole power of n. A to the power of mn. So 10 to the power of x की whole power 1 by 2 will give you 10 to the power x by 2. Yeah, tell me.
so, sir, in the last step, it should be 10 raised to the power 10x now, because in the second last step, you are multiplying it by 10, right?
What is the first law? A to the power of m into a to the power of n will give you a to the power of m plus n. So 10 to the
Yes,
power of
sir.
x by 2 into 10 to the power of 1 will give you 10 to the power of x by 2 plus 1.
Hmm.
Are you getting it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, Vedika.
So in the last step, how did you get 10 raised to x by 2 plus 1?
What is our first law? Third law? Vedika, what is our first law?
So
A,
can you repeat?
a to the power of m into a to the power of n will give you a to the power of
M into n.
m plus n.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So this is 10 to the power of x by 2 into 10 to the power of 1. कुछ नहीं लिखा होता इसका मतलब 1 होता है.
Okay, sir.
Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Vayuna Gupta. Vayuna, can you please raise your hands again? Arth, Nabul.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, why did you multiply by 10?
Why did I multiply by 10? because in the answer I wanted to get +1. Okay. And to add +1, I have to multiply it by some power, and power should be, because I have to add 1, power should be 1 only, and base should be same. So base तो 10 था, इसलिए I have multiplied by 10, and मुझे वहाँ पे 1, अगर वहाँ पे मुझे 2 चाहिए होता तो I would have multiplied it by 10 to the power of 2. अगर मुझे वहाँ पे 3 चाहिए होता तो I would have multiplied it with the 10 to the power of 3. But I wanted 1, so that's why I have multiplied it by 10 to the power of 1.
Okay, sir.
Vayuna, Devansh,
Yes, sir.
yeah, tell me.
Sir, can you explain the third step?
Step, can you please say it?
Sir, but why did you take square roots on both the sides?
In the answer, the value you have to find, that is 10 to the power of x by 2 plus 1. We have been given 10 to the power of x. So x लेके x by 2 कैसे जाएंगे? We have to take the power 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 is square root.
Yes, sir. Okay, understood. Yes.
I have 8 into 10 is 80, multiplying by 10. 64 का square root is 8. X variable, yes. Multiplying by 10. 80 is the answer. Just a doubt, they can raise your hands. Rest of the people can go through the other questions. Parth. Yes, Parth.
Hello. Yeah, can you explain the last step of the sixth question?
यार ये अभी मैंने इतने लोगों को समझाया. I was audible to all of you or not?
Sir, the voice was cracking.
नहीं, just tell me one thing. When I'm dictating, मतलब solving any doubt to anyone, so is it audible to all of you or it's just particular person?
Sir, the internet connection is coming unstable, therefore it was
नहीं,
cracking.
नहीं, I'm asking you a question. Is it, for example, I'm explaining you a something. So is it audible to each and everyone or it's audible to just?
Sir, don't know about the others, but sir,
Okay,
the
ठीक है.
internet
I'll ask in the
connection
chat
is
section.
unstable.
Okay, that's fine. So you have written the solution.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So which step you are saying?
Sir, the last one.
ये plus multiplying by 10 वाली.
No, sir. X by 2 plus 1.
See, the second last step, the basis is same. The base is 10, okay? And here it is 10 to the power of x by 2 into 10 to the power of 1. So if base is same, powers will be added. So it will become 10 to the power of x by 2 plus 1. Okay? Ashi Tola?
No, sir. Sorry,
Yeah, tell me.
my hand by
Tell me.
mistake.
Sorry?
I have no question. I had a question.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah. why did you see? Listen, everyone, listen to me. Okay. See, in the last step, lots of people are asking why I have multiplied with 30. See, in the answer, the value is 10 to the power of x by 2 plus 1. Now I wanted it plus 1. So how I can get it? By multiplying it to the power of 10 to the power of 1. For example, if in the place of 1 you wanted 2, so by which what term you have multiplied? You should have been multiplied it by 10 to the power of 2. If you wanted 3 on the place of 1, what by which you have multiplied it, you should have multiplied it by 10 to the power of 3. Jay, I was literally told you 3-4 times. I'll not repeat the questions. I'll not share the same questions. Next question. Okay. So this is the last time I'm sharing list of the questions. Everyone, please try all these questions. Question number, as of now, we'll discuss question number 2 and question number 4. Two minutes for last two questions. Question number 2 and question number 4 we'll discuss. Yeah, Prisha, right. Integral x कहा integral x मतलब integer value of x. X cannot be a fraction. It has to be integer. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. मैं हटा रहा हूँ फटाफट से लिख लो जिसको लिखना है. I'll not share it again. Questions. Rishabh,
Sir,
yeah, tell me.
sir, are we going to solve the third and 2, 3, 4 question?
Yeah, we are going to solve, but right now we'll solve 2 and question 4 only. The third you can try to do similar question now every time.
All right.
All right.
Yes.
Is it visible to you guys? Question number 2 and 4. Question number 3 is for homework. You can try it at home. The question number 5 is the same question. आपको ठीक है इन्वर्टेड करने की जरूरत क्या है इन्वर्टेड हाँ so that's all okay question number 2 see it was x to the power of 200 and it was 3 to the power of 300 so I have taken it 200 as 2 into 100 and 300 as 3 into 100 now you can see it can become x to the power of 2 whole power 100 less than sign 3 to the power of 3 100 okay now see x power is less than now see the power is same 100 on the both sides okay so I can remove it just for the you're not remove it logically but just for comparison you can remove it okay so just remove it so in the third step I have removed it in the third step you can see I have removed the power 100 you can remove it for logical purpose okay that is not technical but you can remove so here the equation comes out to be x square less than 27 you have to find a number जिसका square 27 से छोटा हो you have to find a number जिसका square 27 से छोटा हो just छोटा हो and the perfect number to be integral you find so the x value comes out to be 5 okay let's go to the fourth question now what happened in the fourth question see the brackets will open and if the brackets will open the power will multiply so in the first term will become your p to the power of ac upon p to the power of bc second term p to the power of ba upon ca third term p to the power of bc upon ab now see this p to the power of ba this p to the power of ba they will cancel each other same CA will cancel each other same BC cancel each other final answer will be 1 किसी को just start writing किसी को doubt है तो you can ask me अर्थ हाँ वायु ना
Yes, so I didn't understand x is 27 is greater than x raised to that part.
see it was 100 written I have just removed the 100 I haven't done anything it was written x to the power of 2 whole power 100 and see on the both sides it was power 100 so I have done nothing just remove that 100 okay so equation will become x square less than 27
Yeah.
you have do you know perfect squares few basic perfect square 2 का square 4 3 का square 9 4 का square 3
Yes.
square 25 so which is a base number जिसका square 27 से छोटा हो
5.
5 that's my answer is 5
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Arch. Yes sir tell me
Sir, I have the same doubt. It's clear.
हो गया clear हेलो अर्थ हो गया क्या ये हैंड ओवर कर दिया करो यार तुम लोग so I guess everyone is fine up to किसी को कोई डाउट है अभी के लिए हाँ there is a problem okay lots of people are solving the rationalizing question from the booklet ठीक है see if you know that's fine you can solve it okay but it is highly preferred you should start solving them once after we are complete with the lecture of rationalization okay I know lots of people are aware of the rationalization so you can solve it but please solve the basic parts first and then go for the booklet question as of now आज के लिए homework will be इतना रहेगा you can go for the exponents questions of the whole booklet the chapter 3 exponents questions only not the rationalization part exponents questions only for homework today ठीक है that's fine इतना ही था इसमें तो let's move to किसी को कोई डाउट है पूछ लो let's move to rationalization रिदिशा पे रिदिशा
Sir, I had another doubt, not
which
from this. Like, it's related to exponents, but not related to.
you can send the group your doubts group and you can send it over there okay
Yes. Okay, sir.
Is anyone having any doubt in exponents? किसी property में किसी में we are moving towards rationalization. और जितना भी we are doing it right now, you have to note it down in the notebook. Proper notebook meeting करनी पड़ेगी. So we start. Okay, next topic की heading डाल देना rationalization. You are left to solve one question. That's homework part. It's from booklet only. You can solve it. And नहीं होता तो you can ask me without. Yeah. Next, rationalization. Yeah, is it same chapter, new topic? Yeah, other than booklet, there are lots of questions in booklet, okay? All the exercises you have to do. The exponents part only. Rationalization. Prisha have written it over here. Rationalization. Okay, fine. यार ये रोटेट वाली प्रॉब्लम बहुत ही ज्यादा यार क्लास के बाद if anyone is having any solution ये फोन में प्रॉब्लम क्यों हो रही है? I have to rotate each and every picture, so they can send me please. Anyone can help me out? ये प्रॉब्लम क्यों होती है बार-बार? Please text me, call me. Okay, is it fine अब? I guess अब तो सबको visible है, ठीक है? See, सबसे पहले start writing irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Numbers which cannot be written in the form of P upon Q. Numbers which cannot be written in the form of P upon Q. Numbers which cannot be written in the form of P upon Q are called as irrational numbers. Numbers which cannot be written in the form of P upon Q are called as irrational numbers. Okay. Example root 2, root 3, root 5. Example root 2, root 3, root 5, etc. etc. Okay. Now see, what is rationalization? होता क्या है? There are some irrational numbers या irrational term. The process of converting the irrational numbers by multiplying us with a certain number into a rational one is called as rationalization. एक नंबर था irrational, हमने क्या किया, किसी नंबर से उसे मल्टीप्लाई करके रैशनल में कन्वर्ट कर दिया, तो दैट प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज rationalization. ठीक है, and the number by which it has been multiplied is called as rationalizing factor. By the number by which it has been multiplied is called as rationalizing factor. By the number, ये RF जो लिखा हुआ है मैंने, that is rationalizing factor. RF जो लिखा हुआ है, that is rationalizing factor. RF means rationalizing factor. Again, I'm repeating. There was an irrational number. I have multiplied it with rationalizing factor. It got converted into rational number. Okay. Example दे रखा है, √2 था. √2 is an irrational number. मैंने क्या किया, इसे √2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, तो √2 into √2 बन के 2 बन गया, जो एक रैशनल है. So multiplying √2 by √2 gives you 2, which is rational. Irrational into rationalizing factor will be rational. So यहाँ पे this √2 is also its rationalizing factor. Square root of 2 √2 क्या लिखना चाहिए? Sir, we can write √3 as √3 upon 1. Yeah, the same thing. Of course. और ये जैन ने क्या लिखा है, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2. अरे तुम लोग है ना, ये अपनी बकवास ना करो तो बीच बीच में. आई विल रिमूव यू, मैं बता रहा हूँ क्लास से. ठीक है, दैट्स फाइन. हाँ, तो दिस इज अ बेसिक फंडा ऑफ रैशनलाइजेशन. ये एक इरेशनल नंबर था, यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई. व्हाट इज रैशनल नंबर, लास्ट क्लास देख लेना. ठीक है, पाई इज रैशनल नंबर. यस, व्हाट इज एक रैशनल नंबर था, उसको मैंने एक रैशनलाइजिंग फैक्टर से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, तो किसमें कन्वर्ट हो गया, रैशनल. दैट प्रोसेस कॉल्ड एज रैशनलाइजेशन. एग्जांपल, √2 एक रैशनल नंबर, मैंने मल्टीप्लाई किया से √2 से, तो आंसर क्या आ गया, 2. Ibrahim, can't you see the example? यहाँ पे example we are discussing. √2 into √2, that is 2. This is an example. √2 was irrational. हाँ, अभी आगे will solve example. अभी के लिए बस. Okay. What is rationalizing factor? जिस नंबर से हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया, to convert our number into rational one is called as rationalizing factor. अभी के लिए don't both sides ये सब छोड़ दो. RF का मतलब है रैशनलाइज फैक्टर. जिस नंबर से हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया, आगे आके जाके धीरे धीरे समझेंगे, अभी के लिए छोड़ दें. ठीक है, ये जय तो है ना, क्वेश्चन लिखना बंद करेगा ये फालतू के. अभी के लिए रैशनलाइजेशन का मतलब समझना है तुम्हें, और कुछ नहीं करना. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ रैशनलाइजेशन और व्हाट इज रैशनलाइजिंग फैक्टर. ठीक है, हाँ. सो स्टार्ट राइटिंग. सबने ये लिख लिया होगा ना जो पेज आई हैव शेयर्ड, लिख लो एक बार, कॉपी इट. आई एम शेयरिंग द नेक्स्ट पेज. जल्दी जल्दी लिख लो. आई एम शेयरिंग द नेक्स्ट पेज. Noted. Okay, fine. I'm sharing the next page. Okay. See, there are some properties. I've shared with some properties with you. √a whole square is a. Write down all the properties. Just write them down. I'll give you example. You can write till 5th only. That's fine. Rest of it, you have to study from the booklet. You can write. As of now, you can write for up to 5th. √a square will give you a. √a into √b will give you root of ab. √a upon √b will give you root of a upon b. √a plus b into √a minus b. Everyone knows the formula of a plus b into a minus b. That will give you a square minus b square. The formula for √a plus b into √a minus will be a square minus b square. So यहाँ पे it will become √a whole square minus √b whole square. That is a minus b. The fifth property, a plus √b into a minus √b, it will be a square minus b. Just write down the fifth properties. सम पार्ट्स आर आउट ऑफ फ्रेम। अरे फ्रेम पे 5 पार्ट से लिखने हैं आपको, चारों फ्रेम में ही है मेरे फोन में अच्छे से। यू हैव टू राइट 5 पार्ट्स ओनली। प्रॉपर्टीज लिख लो। नेक्स्ट में आई एम शेयरिंग द एग्जांपल ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टीज। हाँ, अभी के लिए यू हैव टू राइट ओनली द प्रॉपर्टीज, फर्स्ट 5 प्रॉपर्टीज। हाँ, वेट कर रहा हूँ मैं, लिख लो तुम, 2 मिनट का टाइम है, थोड़ा जल्दी जल्दी लिखो। ये 4th 5th प्रॉपर्टी इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट, ध्यान रखना इसका। जूम आउट करके क्या करना है, 5 प्रॉपर्टी लिखनी है, दिख तो रही है अच्छे से। व्हाट इज आरएफ, रैशनलाइजिंग फैक्टर? ओनली 5, स्टार्टिंग 5 for 6th and 7th can study it from the booklet। पढ़ना है, छोड़ना नहीं है। ठीक है, नोटेड। मैं हटा रहा हूँ, हम शेयरिंग नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल्स वाली। अरे यार, इसके रोटेशन वाली बहुत ही प्रॉब्लम हो रही है। See, is it visible to everyone? Yes. See, the first property was root a into root b is root ab. So I have given you example, root 2 into root 3 will give you root 3 into 2, that is root 6. Okay. Now the second example, root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 will give you 2. Okay, that is root 2 ka square. Second again, root 3 into root 3 will give you 3. Third property, root 2 upon 3. That can be separated, it will become root 2 upon root 3. Fourth property, a plus b into a minus b सबको पता होना चाहिए, that is a square minus b square. In the same way, root a plus root b into root a minus root b will give you root a square minus root b square. Now you know root a square is a and root b square is b. The final answer will be a minus b. Fifth property, a plus root b into a minus b root b will give you a square minus b. Okay, ये 5 प्रॉपर्टी आपको अच्छे से दिमाग में रखनी है। सब लोग नोट कर लो, जिसको किसी प्रॉपर्टी में डाउट हो, रेज योर हैंड, वी कैन डिस्कस। किसी को डाउट हो किसी प्रॉपर्टी में तो यू कैन आस्क। Fifth property, see, again that is a plus b into a minus b. That should be a square minus b square. So a square will give you a square and root b square will give you b. So the main important formula is the fourth property का formula. Second English is fourth property of एक second, 2 minute. Siddhi,
Yes, sir.
tell me.
Sir, what is the fourth property?
Root a plus b into root a minus b will give you a minus b finally.
So it will be a minus b, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
So doubts, you can raise your hands. Just last minute, I'll. Okay. ठीक है मैं हटा रहा हूँ. I'm sharing the next rationalization वाला part. वेट यार, वेट करो. ये रोटेशन वाली बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. सब लोग स्क्रीन देखें और सुन लें प्लीज. ठीक है. देखो अब एक्चुअली एग्जांपल हमने इसे पता था कि रैशनल नंबर होता है, रैशनल फैक्टर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, रैशनल बन जाता है. अब देखो क्वेश्चंस किस टाइप के आते हैं. क्वेश्चंस आते हैं फॉर एग्जांपल फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. सी देखो ये रहा. सब लोग ध्यान से. रैशनलाइज द डिनोमिनेटर. दिस वाज आवर क्वेश्चन. हमारा नंबर था 1/√. आपको पता है 1/√2 को आपको इससे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा √2 से. अब जो भी आप कर रहे हो आपको ऊपर नीचे दोनों साइड करना पड़ेगा. तो न्यूमरेटर में क्या बन जाएगा, 1 × √2 विल बी √2 एंड इन द डिनोमिनेटर क्या बन जाएगा, √2 × √2 विल बी 2. तो हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या था, रैशनलाइज द डिनोमिनेटर. तो देखो डिनोमिनेटर में 2 आ गया, दैट इज अ रैशनल नंबर. आपको एक चीज और ध्यान रखनी है कि आपको सिंपलेस्ट नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे सेम एग्जांपल दे रखा है. सेकंड पार्ट में मैंने मल्टीप्लाई किया 1/√2 को मैंने 2√2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया हुआ. तो ऊपर क्या बनेगा, 1 × 2√2 दैट इज 2√2. नीचे क्या बनेगा, √2 × 2√2 दैट विल गिव यू 4. यू हैव टू टेक द सिंपलेस्ट. यू कैन देखो लॉजिकली तो यू कैन टेक √2 और 2√2 कोई सा भी, बट ट्राई करना कि टेक द सिंपलेस्ट वन. यू हैव टू टेक द सिंपलेस्ट वन. कोई बोलेगा सर मैं 3√2 हाँ चलेगा, बट इन जनरल यू हैव टू टेक द सिंपलेस्ट वन. जबरदस्ती डोंट कॉम्प्लिकेट. बट 2 and √2 will not cancel. अरे we are seeing here rationalizing वाला part, we are not seeing cancellation वाला part. हाँ रिदिया say.
Sir, I do not understand this.
Which part?
So like how, like the second step, I guess.
See what we are understanding here. We have find the rationalizing factor. ठीक है. यहाँ पे we are understanding कि we have to take the simplest. मैंने एक statement यहाँ पे लिखी हुई है. मैंने यहाँ पे एक स्टेटमेंट लिखी हुई है कि we have to take the simplest value. ठीक है. मैंने एग्जांपल आपको दिया रैशनलाइज डिनोमिनेटर. क्वेश्चन था मेरा 1/√2. 1/√2 मेरा क्वेश्चन था. मैंने बोला रैशनलाइज करो डिनोमिनेटर. आपको डिनोमिनेटर पता है क्या, डिनोमिनेटर में क्या है √2. आपको मल्टीप्लाई किससे करना पड़ेगा, √2 से. मैंने यहाँ ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया √2 से. देखो यहाँ पे तो आंसर मेरा क्या आया, √2/2. माय क्वेश्चन वाज रैशनलाइज डिनोमिनेटर. डिनोमिनेटर में रैशनल नंबर होना चाहिए. क्या डिनोमिनेटर में रैशनल नंबर है, हाँ सही बात है, हो गया. अब किसी ने बोला सर आई एम नॉट मल्टीप्लाइंग इट बाय √2, आई एम मल्टीप्लाइंग इट बाय 2√2. तो सेकंड एग्जांपल मैंने ये लिया 1/√2 को ऊपर से 2√2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. सो आंसर कम्स आउट टू बी 2√2/4. दैट इज सेम ओनली, बट यहाँ पे आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट you have to take the simplest number. In the first case the number is √2, in the second case number is 2√2. Although the answer is same, but you have to take the simplest number. Don't complicate it by taking the bigger numbers. Okay, that was our observation. Rajija, I'm coming back. Rajija, tell me.
Yes, sir, understood.
Tanmay, tell me. Tanmay. Om, yes, Om.
Sir, in the question you have given root 2 upon root 2, but they both will get cancelled now.
Listen. Did you listen? Pura jo which I explained.
Yeah, sir, but I have doubt.
Our question was 1 upon root 2. मैंने खुद से ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई किया. Our question was 1 upon root 2 को रैशनलाइज करके बताओ.
अच्छा, okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
किसी को डाउट है तो बता दो वरना आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. Our question was 1 upon root 2 को रैशनलाइज करना है. अर्थ.
Sir, you are written in the second one 2 root 2 by 4. So 2 and 4 can be cancelled out now.
हाँ, that can be cancelled. That was not our attempt. यहाँ पे मेरा समझाने का मतलब था you have to take the simplest rationalizing factor. Okay.
Okay, sir. Siddhi, tell me.
So why did you take 2? I mean, what is the meaning of 2 root 2?
2 into root 2.
So that is also an irrational number, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. और किसी को प्रॉब्लम है, you can raise your hands वरना I'm going further. Our question was 1 upon root 2, not. Okay. Why did you take root 2? Okay. धीरे धीरे you will get to understand कि वेरिका हमने प्रॉपर्टीज पढ़ी थी याद कर थोड़ी देर पहले. प्रॉपर्टी में हमने एग्जांपल लिया था कि रूट 2 into रूट 2 क्या होता है 2. तो रूट 2 को मुझे अगर 2 में कन्वर्ट करना है तो किससे मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा रूट 2 से. दैट इज व्हाई आई मल्टीप्लाई बाय रूट 2 ऊपर नीचे. 4 रूट का मतलब कोई सेंस नहीं है. मोक्ष. ठीक है, लिख लिया है सबने, आगे बढ़े. ठीक है, सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अब देखो, अब सब लोग फिर से कंफ्यूज मत होना, ध्यान से सुनना. टॉप मोस्ट ऊपर ही देखना सब. क्वेश्चन वाज 1 अपॉन रूट 7. अब 1 अपॉन रूट 7 को मैं किससे मल्टीप्लाई करूं? क्या क्वेश्चन वाज रैशनलाइज द न्यूमरेटर. मैं किससे मल्टीप्लाई करूं रूट 7 को? क्या आंसर शुड बी रैशनल. मैंने ऊपर नीचे किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया रूट 7 से. आंसर इज रूट 7 अपॉन 7. ठीक है, सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, थर्ड पार्ट. आवर क्वेश्चन इज 1 अपॉन 2 रूट 3. आवर क्वेश्चन इज 1 अपॉन 2 रूट 3. नाउ इरेशनल पार्ट इज रूट 3 ओनली. तो मैंने ऊपर नीचे किससे मल्टीप्लाई किया है रूट 3 से. तो आंसर इज रूट 3 अपॉन 6. सेकंड और थर्ड पार्ट में किसी को प्रॉब्लम है तो वो पहले देखो, दैट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. I have to multiply by irrational part only. जल्दी से फटाफट, टाइम का मैं. रेज योर हैंड्स को किसी को सेकंड और थर्ड पार्ट में प्रॉब्लम है. इन द सेकंड पार्ट रूट 7 था इसलिए आई हैव मल्टीप्लाइड बाय रूट 7 ऊपर नीचे. इन द थर्ड पार्ट रूट 3 अकेला था इसलिए आई हैव मल्टीप्लाइड बाय रूट 3 ऊपर नीचे. अरे ये बायो आएगा मुझसे मत पूछा करो तुम. ये बायो का हाउ कुड आई नो. हाँ, यू हैव टू कॉपी दिस. किसी को प्रॉब्लम है? थर्ड पार्ट. थर्ड पार्ट सी. थर्ड पार्ट में irrational part was root 3 only. 1 upon 2 into root 3 was our question, but the irrational part was root 3 only. That is why I have multiplied it with root 3 upper niche. So our answer will be 1 into root 3. Root 3, 2 root 3 into root 3 will give you 6. पार्ट 4 तो समझाया नहीं ना मैंने अभी. आज पार्ट थर्ड तक रखेंगे और आप लोग क्या करेंगे घर जाके रीड द नोट्स. जो बुकलेट है रीड इट. नेक्स्ट टाइम पे विल सॉल्व द राइट क्वेश्चंस एंड रीड इट. ओके. और एक्सपीरियंस वाला पूरा होमवर्क है आपका. Okay, bye-bye.